We will learn about electric sequence operation and PLC through given examples. Hello. Understand the electrical sequence configuration given in the screen configuration and the operation of the various electrical appliances inside the control box. On the left side of the screen are several buttons, lamps, and selector switches based on the control box. And in the center of the screen is a brief description of each instrument. And below are several relays inside the control box. First, let's take a look at the manual and automatic operation of the electrical sequence and the configuration of each PLC operation. WL lamp and GL lamp turn on when the circuit breaker for the first time is input. Power is also supplied to each overcurrent relay. Manual operation and automatic operation are determined by DC relay RY1. Automatic operation is started through PLC by DC relay RY1 contact. First, let's learn about manual operation. Status information is changed by push button PB1. Check the status of MC1 and MC2 when the push button PB1 is first pressed and the second time pressed. When push button PB1 is pressed for the first time, power is supplied to relay X3 and power is supplied to MC1 through PLC. At this time, motor IM1 is activated. Next, when the user presses the push button PB1 again, power is supplied to the relay X4 and power is supplied to the MC2 through the PLC. At this time, motor IM2 is activated. Each time push button PB1 is pressed, MC1, MC2 status changes. And push button PB2 can stop the motor IM1 operation by turning off the relay X3 power. Press push button PB3 to cut off relay X4 power and stop motor IM2 operation. In addition, when both the relay X3 and X4 power is supplied to the timer T1 by each relay contact. At this time, manual operation is stopped after 1 second by the timer contact. The RL1 lamp turns on by the magnetic contactor MC1 and you can check whether the motor IM1 is operating. The RL2 lamp is turned on by the magnetic contactor MC2 and you can check whether the motor IM2 is operating. If the motor is not running, you can check the GL lamp. When a trip occurs in the overcurrent relays EOCR1 and EOCR2, power is supplied to the relay X5. YL lamp blinks in PLC by relay X5 contact. Now let's learn about automatic operation. Both manual and automatic operation receive multiple inputs from the PLC and process them. When the user enters the selector switch S1 in the PCB circuit, power is supplied to the DC relay RY1. The DC relay RY1 contact confirms it automatically in the PLC. When the user presses the push button PB4, the HL1 lamp lights up. And after 3 seconds, the HL2 lamp turns on. And after 3 seconds, the HL3 lamp turns on. After 3 seconds, the HL1, HL2, and HL3 lamps all go out. At this time, input is entered once in the counter in the PLC program. The maximum value of the PLC program counter is limited to 3 times. Also, HL1, HL2 and HL3 do not light up when the user presses the push button PB5. For detailed PLC program, please check the description below the video.
Wiring breaker. Press the button. PB1. PB1. Release the button. Press the button. Release the button. Press the button. PB1. Release the button. PB1. PB1. Release the button. Press the button. Release the button. PB1. Release the button. PB1. PB1. Release the button. Overcurrent relay trip generation. Overcurrent relay trip release. Overcurrent relay trip generation. Overcurrent relay trip release. Input on. S1. Press the button. PB4. Release the button. Press the button. PB4. Release the button. Press the button. PB4. Release the button. Press the button. Release the button. Press the button. Release the button. Press the button. PB4. Release the button. Press the button. PB4. Release the button. Press the button. PB4. Release the button. Press the button. Release the button. Input off. Input off. Wiring breaker.
Today's learning topic was about moving walkway biography sequences that are easily used in airports or subways. It has a similar configuration to the conveyor belt. In electrical sequence configuration, it can be used with PLC and the operation configuration can be complicated. Please find out what is more useful in the electric sequence and automatic control section of the actual moving walkway. You will find a little more helpful in learning these electrical sequence constructs. Also, please find some limitations for each purpose or find out what is applied to it. You can understand the PLC operation and apply it to configure the automatic operation of another electrical sequence. Thank you for watching. Check out the subscription and the like button. We will make more and more learning videos. Any other questions would be appreciated if you leave them in the comments below the video. We wish you a nice day.